All right, if you use a Starlink Mini regularly, having a reliable cable matters, and this has worked really well as a replacement for the original one. Now, I was sent this Starlink Mini cable by the brand, and I've been using it with my Starlink Mini connected both to my power generator and directly to my Jeep's DC port. Right here, you can see it running the Starlink Mini without any issues. The connection feels just as stable as the original cable, so I'm not noticing drops or problems while using it. As you can see, everything connects easily. It's plug and play, so I can quickly get internet running whether I'm in my vehicle or using portable power. The cable itself feels durable, and since it's designed for indoor and outdoor use with a waterproof build, it works well for travel and mobile internet use. Right here, you can also see me connected to the Starlink Wi-Fi on my laptop while streaming video and everything loaded smoothly. If you need a replacement for the original Starlink Mini cable and want something that performs just as well, this is a really solid option to keep with your gear.